Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make Paneer Tikka Masala. If you've never tried paneer before, I recommend you do because honestly it tastes amazing. Start off by dicing your paneer and then adding in some spices. For the paneer I use some salt along with some chili powder, some chili flakes and also some paprika. And then I finish it off with a little bit of olive oil along with some garlic and then some more olive oil as well. Allow the paneer to marinate on one side while you cook the masala. So in a separate pan, add in some olive oil along with your onions. The main aim for the onions is that you want them to become really soft. So then I also add in some boiling hot water and cover the onions with a lid for a couple of minutes. Remove the lid, make sure the onions are on a medium to low heat, and then repeat the process with adding the hot water into the onions again. So after onions become slightly soft, I then added in some garlic and made sure to cook that together until the onions start to get a bit brown. Once the onions look a little bit like this, it's then time to add in your spices. So the spices I use for the onions include salt, chili flakes, turmeric, chili powder, cumin seeds and also some garam masala. After adding them all in, make sure to give it all a good mix and also make sure that your heat is on a medium to low because you don't want the spices to start burning. Next, add in your tomatoes. So in order for the tomatoes to go soft with the onions, I then also added in boiling water again and then added a lid. Allow the tomatoes to get soft and then after a couple of minutes remove the lid. So once the tomatoes went soft, I then just started to mash them slightly with the onions so it makes like a very nice thick gravy. So after that, add in your bell peppers. You can cook them however you like. I just like them to be very thick and chunky pieces. Give the peppers a good mix with the masala. And then also for the next part, for them to go soft, you need to just add in a little bit of water and then they release their own water and just cover with a lid. So while the peppers are in, make sure to put the heat to low because now it's time to cook the paneer. So in a non-stick griddle type pan, I added in some olive oil along with the paneer. The paneer is really hard at first, but once you start cooking it, it does become really soft. It only needs a couple of minutes to cook on each side. I like to cook them until the edges become really crispy. For me personally, when the paneer has a crispy edge like this, it's then time to remove it from the pan. So while your paneer has been cooking, the peppers have also been cooking and at this time they will be soft. So simply add in the paneer into the masala. And then the last part of the dish is to add in some unsalted butter, cover with the lid and allow it to melt. And this is literally how easy and simple it is to make Paneer Tikka Masala. I personally prefer it with some fresh boiled white rice, but you can also make it with a really nice garlic naan. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm definitely going to be making a lot more South Asian dishes, including like a boneless chicken curry, but also let me know what you'd want me to make.